Almost every day now, we see images in social media and in the news that we urgently need to prevent waste entering our environment. This is a serious concern which we at Dow share. Plastic has revolutionised our lives and brought many benefits, but we now take it for granted, and it has become too easy to simply throw away. The reality is that too much plastic is ending up in our forests, our rivers and oceans. We at Dow believe plastic is too valuable to be discarded and must become part of the circular economy so that from design to end of use, it retains its value. The challenge is to retain the functional benefits and ensure the environmental impact remains low in production and use. At the same time, reuse and recovery need to improve. In particular, we need to incorporate recycled plastics in more of our everyday products.
There is a major shift right now happening, which is a shift from linear economy moving to circular economy. That have a lot of implication in all the state of operation, design of the product, design of the packaging, usage of the packaging and recycling of it.
By developing a viable circular economy, we can move towards a world where no plastic ends up in the environment. Dow is already playing its part with a range of actions and commitments, from production all the way through to promoting markets for recovered materials. We're working with our partners across the value chain to ensure all plastic packaging will be recyclable.
Retail has been helping us in many ways, but there are two main ones which I would like to highlight here. The first one is that it has enlarged the pool of raw materials that we can use as a base for our recycled compounds. But also very importantly, we are able now to recycle some materials which we were not able before, because they were difficult to recycle or because they were just not recyclable at all.
In September 2018, Dow came together with the Ocean Conservancy for a cleanup across the globe, with thousands taking part. In several of the countries, we were using trash bags made from the material that has previously been unrecyclable. This was a huge success, demonstrating that by taking collective action, we can all make a difference. Using Dow's compatibilizer, Retain, our partners were able to recycle plastic that would normally go straight to landfill. The recycled material was then converted into trash bags, giving the plastic another lease of life.
Retain is such an important product in the market. We don't have anything else from different suppliers, and it's important because with Retain technology we are able to give a second life to barrier films, which are very important for the food packaging application. Without those films, we don't have fresh food in the market, and we avoid food waste with those food packaging products.
The meaning of sustainability in our company is that any product produced in the factory has a route of valorization. In that way, we close the circular economy concept. And then projects like Retain help us to get our target, to reach our target, and also help us to increase or improve our range of sustainable products.
At Dow, we continue to work closely with NGOs, our partners, governments and trade associations to ensure that plastic becomes part of the circular economy and not a curse on the environment.